Driving for client work? You can track mileage and either bill it back to the client or claim it as a tax-deductible expense. FreshBooks makes it simple. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The easiest way is with the FreshBooks mobile app. Enable location services. Tap Track Mileage, and the app will use your phone's GPS to log trips. Classify each trip as business or personal. Business trips can be assigned to a client/project. You can then add the mileage as a line item on an invoice or simply record it as a reimbursable expense. My crucial pro tip? Use the standard IRS mileage rate. Don't guess at the cost. When adding mileage to an invoice or expense, FreshBooks can automatically calculate the reimbursement using the current IRS standard rate. This is the accepted method and ensures you're fully compensated. Never leave money on the table for miles you've already driven. Do you bill clients for mileage or just deduct it on your taxes? For more guides on capturing all your expenses, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.